How much should you actually spend on a pumice stone? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Ascrico Natural Pumice Stone. First up is the Ascrico Natural Pumice Stone, priced at just $5.99. What really caught my eye was its natural composition and ergonomic design. If you want a gentle yet effective way to exfoliate and relieve fatigue in your feet, this is worth a serious look. The Ascrico Pumice Stone is made from natural lava, which means it's safe and non-toxic for your skin. The mildly abrasive texture is perfect for removing calluses and dead skin without causing irritation. A significant benefit is that it's designed to be used on moist skin, so soaking your feet beforehand enhances its effectiveness. This stone has been flying off the shelves, with over 20,000 sold in just the past month. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of rough, dry feet, this stone can really help restore that smoothness. Now, some people complained about the stone's size, saying it feels a bit small in larger hands. Here's the thing though, that actually makes it easier for precise handling and targeted exfoliation, especially for...
Product number 2, Ryuja 14-Pack Pumice Stone. Next up is the Ryuja 14-Pack Pumice Stone, retailing at $9.99. I was really impressed by the value here. You're getting 14 stones for the price of a single fancy foot scrubber. If you want versatility in cleaning, this is worth a serious look. These pumice stones are not just for your feet. They're designed for toilet cleaning, bathtubs, and even grills. The natural pumice effectively removes hard water stains and rust without scratching surfaces. Each stone is about 5.9 inches long, which fits perfectly in your hand and makes cleaning a breeze. With over 7,000 sold recently, people are clearly loving them. Here's why this matters. If you've been struggling with stubborn stains in your toilet or kitchen, these stones can save you a lot of scrubbing time. Now, some users mentioned that the stones can crumble a bit during heavy use, but here's the thing. When they do, it's actually a sign that they're doing their job effectively. A little wear and tear is expected with a cleaning tool.
Product number 3, NYQIUGER Professional Pedicure Pumice Stones. Coming in at $6.49, we have the NYQIUGER Professional Pedicure Pumice Stones. What caught my attention here is the double-sided design. If you want customizable foot care, this is worth a serious look. These pumice stones come with a coarse side for tougher calluses and a medium side for softer skin. This flexibility makes it easier to get that perfect exfoliation depending on your needs. They're also individually wrapped, which is a nice touch for hygiene. Just soak your feet, use the pumice, and you're on your way to softer skin. With over 7,000 units sold recently, they're gaining popularity fast. Here's why this matters. If you have different areas of roughness on your feet, this pumice gives you control over your exfoliation. Now, some customers mentioned they wish the stones were a bit larger, but honestly, the size is perfect for maneuvering around your feet and applying pressure effectively. This is perfect for you if you want targeted exfoliation for different skin types. Skip this one if you prefer a single texture or larger tools. For the price, it's a solid choice for foot care. Now, if you want something that really specializes in foot care, the next product is definitely worth checking out. Product number 4, Ryuja 6-Pack Pumice Stone Cleaning, priced at $6.99. I found this option interesting because it offers a great combination of quantity and usability. If you want effective cleaning without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. These pumice stones are designed specifically for tough cleaning tasks like toilets and bathtubs. Each stone is 5.9 inches long, which makes it easy to handle. They're made from high-density natural pumice, which means they won't scratch your surfaces while effectively removing stubborn marks. With over 4,000 sold, it's clear people are finding them useful. Here's why this matters. If your home has hard water stains and you're tired of scrubbing endlessly, these stones can make your life much easier. Now, some reviews pointed out that they can be a bit messy when used. But here's the thing, the mess just means they're doing their job. A little cleanup is worth the effort for a clean toilet. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable cleaning tool that can tackle various surfaces. Skip this one if you're looking for something solely for foot care. For the price, they deliver great performance. And if you're looking for something a bit more specialized for foot care, the final product might be just what you need.
Product number 5, Mr. Pumice Ultimate Pumice Bar. Last but not least, we have the Mr. Pumice Ultimate Pumice Bar, available for $8. I was genuinely surprised by the dual grit feature of this stone. If you want professional grade foot care at home, this is worth a serious look. This pumice bar has a coarse side for those tough areas and a medium side for more sensitive spots. It's a go-to for salon professionals, making it a trustworthy option for effective foot care. The self-chipping material keeps it hygienic, as it doesn't harbor bacteria like some traditional materials do. With 4,000 sold recently, it's clearly a favorite. Here's why this matters. If you want a product that mimics salon results, this pumice bar delivers. Now, some people found it a bit bulkier than traditional stones, but honestly, that bulk gives you better control and makes it easier to apply pressure where needed. This is perfect for you if you want salon quality results at home. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter, more portable option. For the price, it's a fantastic investment in your foot care routine.
So, to quickly compare, the Ask Rocco Pumice Stone is great for gentle exfoliation, while the Ryuja 14 pack offers robust cleaning versatility. The NYQ IGUR stones give you customizable care for different skin types, and Ryuja's 6 pack is ideal for tough stains. Finally, the Mr. Pumice Pumice Bar is your best bet for professional results at home. Whichever one you choose, you can't go wrong with any of these options.